Hello friends and welcome to Dr. Aurora's YouTube channel. Today we are here with eminent sexologist Dr. Deepak Arora, who is American Board of Sexology certified sexologist. He has been on the expert panel of IndiaTimes.com and his articles have been published on various publications like IndiaTimes.com, Times of India, Hindustan Times, New Woman magazine, Glimpse magazine, among others. He has successfully treated hundreds of patients who have come to him with various sexual health problems like erectile dysfunction, premature ejaculation, and nightfall. Today we will be answering questions that have been asked by our visitors to the blog at blog.drauroras.com, and it is my pleasure and honor to introduce to you now Dr. Deepak Arora.
Hello friends, I am Dr. Deepak Arora.
Dr. Saab, another question that gets frequently asked and also one which causes a lot of confusion and loss of self-confidence is got to do with the size of the penis. Please explain to our viewers what is the size that is required to sexually satisfy your partner and what are the myths created and conceived about the size of the penis.
If you talk about the size of the penis, then as per the medical science, एक फीमेल के जेनिटल में first 2 inches are the most sensitive part of her genital. And you are supposed to stimulate those 2 inches. So 2 inch को stimulate करने के लिए, if you have the penis more than 2 inches, that is perfectly fine. Medically, that is perfectly fine. But practically, people never get satisfied with 2 inches.
Of course, that is one of the questions we get the most.
अब आप इसको लोगों का बदलता नजरिया कहो, कुछ केसेस में मिसकंसेप्शंस भी हम इसे बोल सकते हैं, मिथ्स हैं,
हाँ जी,
कुछ केसेस में, बट पीपल आर कमिंग आउट ऑफ द शेल. दे रियली वांट टू एंजॉय द सेक्स. They want to get into orals. So nowadays they are giving more importance to the penis size, because as per them the act which they want to perform for their extreme pleasure, those are not being possible due to smaller size of the penis. Because medical science को एक fixed parameter चाहिए size या किसी भी चीज को decide करने के लिए. पर्सनल चॉइसेस अलग हो जाती हैं. सेकेंडली, पीपल आर वाचिंग पॉर्न. अब पॉर्न देख देख के जो आप देख रहे हो, एवरीबडी इज नॉट गोइंग टू हैव दैट साइज ऑफ पेनिस.
Those are actors, they're professional actors who have been selected because of their size.
Yes.
Not because that's the average
यहाँ
size
पे
or
अगर
normal size.
किसी अच्छी फिल्म में आदमी कोई हीरो या हीरोइन कोई सिलेक्ट होता है, तो उसकी एक्टिंग, उसकी फिजिक, उसके मस्कुलिन बॉडी उससे सिलेक्ट होता है. बट इन द पॉर्न मूवीज दोज आर बीइंग सिलेक्टेड विद द जेनिटल साइज ओनली. नो डायलॉग इज देयर, नथिंग इज देयर. But every man can't have the same size like that. जब हम सबकी हाइट एक जैसे नहीं हो सकती, हाथ का, नाक का, कान का, किसी चीज का साइज एक जैसा नहीं हो सकता, then how can we expect everybody will be having 8, 9, 10 inches? You need to be practical. Yes, the size should be satisfactory, but size, सिर्फ साइज ही सबसे बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं होता है. Vagina is having maximum elasticity. That organ can accommodate any size in the girth. जो हम मोटाई को लेके, पतला है, मोटा है, गर्थ को लेके टेंशन लेते हैं, उसको भी लेके कोई सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है. और पहले 2 इंचेस है, तो ऑफ कोर्स मेडिकली वो 2 इंच को स्टिमुलेट करने के लिए 2 इंच ठीक है, बट इफ यू वांट टू गेट इन ओरल्स एंड ऑल, देन यू नीड टू हैव बिट बिगर देन दैट. Size can also be increased. but it's not mandatory to go for increase.
Right.
Because अगर आपका पेनिस 2 या 2 इंच से ऊपर होता है और इरेक्शन सही होती है, medically you are perfectly fit and fine. But if you still want to have a bigger size, then options are there. Vacuum therapies are there. Those are going to help the size of to increase the size of the penis through stretching exercise through the vacuum.
Right.
Phalloplasty surgeries are there to increase the size. साइज डिपेंड करता है कि आपकी और आपके पार्टनर की अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्या है. Nowadays we are getting the cases, we are getting the young boys, those are saying कि my girlfriend asked me even before meeting me, what is your size? Then they are becoming extraordinarily conscious about the size.
Yes. It affects the self-confidence and the self-image.
Those girls are also maybe right at their part, because they have seen all these things in the porn and all, and they are expecting the same things to take place in their bedroom also. But due to this question, what is your size? Even before meeting, they keep on asking over the phone. I'm not saying that every girl is asking, but we are getting these feedbacks from our patients only.
Right.
This is what we have been told by our patients, that my girlfriend straight away asked me, what is your size? And सिर्फ वहाँ पे चुप्पी हो जाती है, मेरे पास जवाब ही नहीं होता है. The patient says कि मेरे पास तो जवाब ही नहीं होता. What should I say? 5 inch, 6 inch, 8 inch, 9 inch. What should I say? कि मेरे पार्टनर की एक्सपेक्टेशन के अकॉर्डिंगली what is the right size? That's the reason we are getting lots of cases. Those are willing to increase the size. Bigger may be better, but not mandatory.
Right.
आप अगर अपने साइज से ध्यान हटा के ओवरऑल एक्ट की परफॉर्मेंस पे ध्यान दोगे, इवन देन यू कैन हैव अ गुड सेक्स लाइफ.
Of course.
बट एक छोटा सा ऑर्गन आपकी जिंदगी में सबसे बड़ी टेंशन बन रहा है. इफ दिस स्मॉल साइज इज किलिंग योर होल कॉन्फिडेंस, your personal life, professional life, social life, everywhere, then at least I think one should think about this.
Right.
अगर आप इसका कोई सोल्यूशन डॉक्टर, एक अच्छे डॉक्टर से आपको इसका थेरेपी से या सर्जरी से अगर आपको इसका सोल्यूशन मिल जाता है और आप उससे इस कॉम्प्लेक्स से भी बाहर आ जाते हैं, you have better size, you are out of the complex, then you can have a good healthy life. You'll be having happier sex life, so there will be no issue related to size. Size is of course not a big issue, but it is becoming nowadays.
Right. Because of the perceptions created by
हम हर किसी को नहीं समझा सकते हैं. If your partner says बस इतना सही है, you can't convince everyone कि yes, read this book, this is clearly mentioned that 2 inches satisfactory.
Right.
हम प्रैक्टिकल सिचुएशंस में अपने उस पार्टनर के सामने डॉक्टर या मेडिकल साइंस की बातें नहीं समझा पाएंगे ना, कि 2 इंच लिखा है, 2 इंचेस सैटिस्फैक्टरी एंड आई हैव मोर देन 2 इंचेस. भाई जब किसी से सुनने को मिलता है ना कि बस इतना सही, उन लोगों को पता है कि उन पे क्या बीतती है और वो अंदर अंदर घुटने लग जाए, उससे बेहतर है उनको सोल्यूशन मिलता है. तो दे शुड गेट द राइट सोल्यूशन, सो दैट उनके ये सवाल आगे से उनके पार्टनर की तरफ से आने वाले ये सवाल बंद हो जाए ना कि इतना सही है.
So what are the things that people who are looking to increase the size of their penis, what they should be careful about, what type of thing they should not go for?
Market में all across the globe lots of medicines are being sold.
Oils and pills.
Oils, creams, pills, capsules, powders, lots of stuffs are there. Nothing has been proven about this कि इन दवाओं से किसी का भी पेनिस साइज इंप्रूव होता है. There is no proven scientific results behind this. So I would suggest all of you not to get indulged into all these medicines and all. नेट पे सर्च मारने से बहुत कुछ मिलता है आपको, बट नेट पे पड़ा हुआ सब कुछ सही नहीं होता है. You need to be very practical. Vacuum therapy, if you get good quality pumps and the company is manufacturing a quality pump to increase the size, that helps in lots of cases. We can't say that 100% satisfaction, because 100% results, 100% satisfaction is not possible in any case, in any service, in any sales or anything. किसी चीज में 100% satisfaction level नहीं होता है. So vacuum therapy can be used, that gives good results, and our patients are already using. We have been suggesting vacuum therapy to our patients from last so many years. And our patients are using and they are happy with the increased size. And second option is the phalloplasty surgery. That is a surgical procedure. Surgical procedure we always recommend when the penis is actually less than 2 inches.
Micro penis.
Micro penis, buried penis. बहुत सारे cases ऐसे आते हैं जहाँ पे ढूंढना पड़ता है कि where the penis is. If the patient is showing you his organ, you have to look at कि है कहाँ पे. So we do get those sort of cases also. In those cases, we always recommend to go for surgery, because वहाँ पे जो increase की ज़रूरत है वो vacuum therapy से satisfactory result नहीं मिल पाएगा. But if someone is having natural size, normal size as per the medical science and want to increase it, then vacuum therapy is also going to help the person.
Visit www.draroras.com right now to get your online consultation with Dr. Arora. You can also call the number on the screen to book your appointment for a one-to-one consultation with him at our clinics in New Delhi and Chandigarh. So take action now to enjoy a fully satisfying intimate relationship with your partner. Thank you for watching this video.